Hi everyone, my name is Lauren with ProLine range hoods, and today we're going to be going over the different types of filters that we offer. Alright, the first filter we will go over is going to be our Baffle Filter right here. A lot of our hoods have this type of filter. It's dishwasher safe, stainless steel. It's great for catching a lot of grease, so if you're really into heavy cooking, whether that be Indian, Asian, etc., anything that's really strong smelling, cooks a lot of grease, you'll definitely want to focus on this Baffle Filter. Like I said before, you can put it in the dishwasher just to clean it. And most of our range hoods that come with these Baffle Filters also have a grease tray. So the grease tray helps catch any additional grease that drains out of the filter, and you can also wash the grease tray as well. Alright, the second filter we will go over is our stainless steel mesh filter, and that's this one right here. You can find this model in our 520 and our 544 model, and also the Vector. This one is great for kind of lighter cooking, not on the super greasy side. It is also dishwasher safe, so you can toss it in the dishwasher if you'd like to clean it, or you can call us for replacements as well. We'd be happy to help you get replacements. Alright, so our last filter is going to be our charcoal filter. This has got little charcoal pieces in it, and you will use this to recirculate. So it won't be a substitution necessarily for the mesh or the stainless steel Baffle Filter. This will be in addition to either of these if you are going to recirculate your range hood. So if you can't duct your range hood outside, so that means if you can't vent it outside and you have to recirculate the air into your kitchen, you will use this in addition to either of these filters. And this cleans the air from the blowers, so you will receive two of these, and they both attach onto either side of your blower, and then that cleans the air and then it spits it back into your kitchen. Hopefully that clarified a few of the questions for you on the different types of filters that we have, but if you do have any other questions, feel free to call us at 877-901-5530, or you can email us at support@prolinerangehoods.com. Thanks.